Here we have a primary crusher, and this system was actually put in by you, Masterson, how many years ago?
Oh, we did this back in 1912. Um, yeah, all it was is a crusher. So they have these this called beater bars on this crusher, and they have material that will build up in certain cavities, and that's typical for a lot of crushers. The material builds up in the cavity. It's not so much that it's causing other problems as it is causing premature wear for no reason. It doesn't need to stay there. The material's gone, but we have clay and other materials that are stuck in these cavities that will wear out the crusher. So we empty these cavities, empty these areas, empty any potential buildup that causes extra wear and tear. So for crushers, it's mainly getting rid of the leftover residue that's not flowing through.